Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on black money. Black money is a really trending topic and is very important for your examinations. First line is black money refers to income earned through illegal means. Second line is this money is not conveyed to the government for tax purposes. Third line is it is often obtained through activities such as corruption, tax evasion, and other unlawful practices. Fourth line is it has negative consequences on the economy. Fifth line is it leads to a loss of tax revenue and hinders economic development. Sixth line is it also contributes to social inequality by allowing some individuals to accumulate excess wealth. Seventh line is governments around the world implement measures to curb black money. Eighth line is some important measures include stricter tax regulations, anti corruption initiatives, and promoting financial transparency. Ninth line is addressing the issue of black money is crucial for creating a fair and transparent economic system. Last line is eradicating black money will benefit our society as a whole.